Let's give them a big hand. Lagi ko na pa. A celebration is never complete without a toast and a bottle of good wine. Let's now bring out the good wine and pour it into your glasses. Raising a glass together is a way for everyone to share in wishing good health and happiness to the newlyweds. As a champagne is poured, our newlyweds now make wishes for their good fortune, a better future, and best life possible for them. We would like to invite everyone to raise their glasses to the groom and bride and join them in their fervent wishes for good fellowship and camaraderie, love, and happiness. Our newlyweds will lead the wine toasting. Everyone raise your glasses. Here's to good health, happiness, good luck, and prosperity to all in the cheer now. Cheers! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Our next edition is the releasing of the doves. The bride and the groom will now do the dove release. I request the newlyweds to please come forward and get each a dove.
Pag-yapon lang.
Congratulations! And now the most exciting part is the throwing of bouquet. I know all single ladies, they're very excited to this. O saan nyo mga single, pag mga feeling single, please come in front. All ladies, single ladies, please come in front. mo, may dyan pag-id. Mahakol pag-id. O sa pamatyan yung single ka mo, di pwede ka mga patungan.
Si Lenny, sulti mo dyan!
Kulang pa.
Kulang pa, kulang pa. Kulang pa, mga dalaga dyan.
Kasal.
Ang binalaan na kung pwede. Wala ipon, kung may ipon, sunod. Basta virgin, dalaga. Dalaga, gate na, naon-laon, pwede. Tatlo lang,
Apat, upa o? Upa isa o? Apat?
apat forward, girls, ang forward. Ang mga bridesmaid din, lima to kabilog mo. Tindog, bridesmaid. Ang bridesmaid din, pagwaanay. May request the bridesmaid, please come forward. Tawagon pangalan nyo. Di na ka mo. Tawagon ngalan nyo. Anay nyo. Asheret, may asheret nga wala pa na? Sulod, asheret. Nagunago ka pa day ba? Sulod. Basta draga, pwede ah. Maski may lutak, pwede. Pwede doon? Okay. Everybody, please count. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Ready? Everybody, please count. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1,
Hinaya na.
2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tutu. Okay, next yun. Doon naman. Sila yung mapalaro na group. Next, gentlemen. Okay, mamintay. Ito ka partner ka. Itong ano. Nakabuhol ka na bouquet.